Shabby flock, I do say to keep up. No discipline. That's the trouble with the Goslings of today.
They're probably tired, dear. We have been marching for an awfully long time.
Poppycock, would you prefer that we fly with the shoes on the march? I think not. This way, my dear.
Excuse me? I wonder if you can help.
Keep walking, dear. I front you a fair at 4 o'clock.
You see a moss.
No excuse for bad navigation. A bird who gets off his flight path doesn't preserve his wings. That's what I always say, isn't it, dear?
Always, dear.
But I can't even fly yet. I got lost on foot.
Bah, infantry, eh? Messy business.
He's only a youngster. Maybe you should direct him. Give him his marching orders.
Ah, very well. Well, geese, my roots, you know. Birds of passage, run a tight fleet. Wouldn't do for us to lose our way, what?
Well, dear, there was that time when we ended up in Windward Islands.
Windward, dear, windward. That's a different matter entirely. Weak thermal strong headwinds blowing our course.
So how come my sister managed to get to Fort Lauderdale?
Yes, quite.
Where were you trying to get to?
Back to my mother on the lake. I think it must be in that direction. I saw a couple of ducks flying over just a minute ago.
Well, if you did, it's probably the last flying mission, what?
What do you mean?
Haven't you heard the ground to air? Bang, bang, pop, pop, what?
No.
There's a chute on the march, dear. It's very dangerous.
What's a shoot?
Well, it's a people's sport. One group of men moves to the march, scaring the ducks into the air, while a second group, with guns, shoot them down and back out of the air again.
The cat talking about people.
The cat?
Yes, see, I went after this cat.
Oh, its parents probably wanted to get rid of it with light.
Didn't your mother ever tell you how dangerous a cat is?
Well, she did, but the
The
cat.
enemy, nasty piece of work, before you whispered, as soon as little Jeff.
But the cat said he's my friend.
You don't want friends like that, dear. Your mother was right to warn you.
She was?
Gun dogs. They must be stopping to shoot again. Time for maneuvers. I hope to look into this, but I have no other option. All right, at ease. Company, fall in. I didn't mean literally. All right, eyes front. Let's have a look at you. Rocky. When I said eyes front, I hope that your body would be facing in a similar direction.
Sorry, my commander.
Not too bad, Barnacles. Greenfoot, straighten those goggles. Purplefoot, you've drawn in something. How many times have I told you to mind your own business? See to it. Snowy? Sunny? Oh, never mind. All right, men, now listen very carefully. We received orders to embark on a delicate, not to say dangerous mission.
Oh, what is that? Is it?
Our task is one of reconnaissance and reunification.
Oh, here we go. Translation dot.
The duckling's lost his mom. Bless him. And we're going to find her.
That would mean
You can always tell a pompous goose by his pidgin English.
All right, men, attention! As you know, we're about to take part in an exercise, the likes of which we may have faced before. I know you will find one of your geese, and I know you will give of your very best. Good luck, Newman.